Good afternoon, Elite owners. My name is Patrick. I'm a product concierge at Mercedes-Benz of Walnut Creek. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to save your seat memory for your 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300. Now this is what our seat control looks like. You can adjust the headrest here. You can adjust the backrest here. You can adjust your bottom portion here, as well as a thigh extender with this guy right here. Now if you want to save your seat, you can simply just press M, and then right after, save it to any of these three profiles. When you save your seat, you'll also be saving the position of your steering wheel. You can adjust that simply by using this stalk here. It'll also save the position of your mirrors. You can adjust those simply by pressing on the left or the right mirror, and then using this arrow here to go up, down, left to right.